How to attract wealth with positive affirmations. If you're looking for ways to attract more wealth into your life, positive affirmations may be the answer. Affirmations are simple statements that can help shift your mindset and focus on attracting abundance and wealth. In this video, we'll show you how to use affirmations to manifest money and financial freedom. Challenge your limiting beliefs. Once you have identified your limiting beliefs, it is time to challenge them. This can be done through positive affirmations and meditations. Take 10 minutes every day to repeat positive affirmations that create a shift in your mindset and help you to attract wealth. Visualize yourself living in financial abundance, and understand that money can flow freely into your life if you allow it. With the right attitude, you can become a magnet for money and open yourself up to new opportunities and avenues of income. When the money comes, be grateful for it, be good with it, and use it to make the world a better place. Positive affirmations to attract money. Positive affirmations are an effective way to attract wealth and abundance into your life. They can help you challenge any limiting beliefs you may have about money, and create a new mindset of abundance. By repeating affirmations such as "I am a money magnet" or "my income is constantly increasing," you can start to manifest prosperity in your life. Affirmations can also help you attract money in unexpected ways, embrace new avenues of income, and be grateful for all of the financial blessings that come your way. Visualizing financial abundance is also a powerful tool to attract wealth and abundance. With consistent practice, these positive affirmations can help you become a magnet for money and always have enough. Allow money to flow in. The previous section discussed the importance of challenging your limiting beliefs and using positive affirmations to attract money. Now, it's time to take it one step further and allow money to flow into your life. Being open and receptive to new sources of income, while simultaneously dispelling any fear or doubt, is a great way to start manifesting wealth. Be willing to accept different forms of wealth, including money, resources, and opportunities. And remember that financial abundance is within reach if you stay focused and consistent with your affirmations. Be a magnet for money. Be a magnet for money and attract wealth with positive affirmations. Visualize yourself as a powerful magnet, drawing money towards you with ease and abundance. Affirm your worthiness to receive money in miraculous ways, and be open to the unexpected avenues of income that come your way. Believe in your ability to always have enough money, and accept abundance into your life. Always have enough money. The section heading "Always Have Enough Money" is an important reminder that having a positive mindset towards money will help you attract it. By affirming to yourself that you always have enough money, you can increase your belief that you are worthy of financial abundance and receive it in unexpected ways. Moreover, by being good with money, visualizing financial abundance and being grateful for it, you will be able to create new avenues of income and become a magnet for wealth. Receive money in unexpected ways. Receiving money in unexpected ways may sound far-fetched, but it's an important part of attracting wealth. When you are open to receiving money in different forms and from different sources, you will be able to tap into the power of abundance. Take time to recognize and appreciate the little things that come your way, and don't be afraid to ask for what you need. You never know when a surprise windfall might come your way, or if a new job opportunity will present itself. Be open to exploring new avenues of income and be grateful for the blessings that come your way. Embrace new avenues of income. Embrace new avenues of income and be open to unexpected ways of making money. By challenging your limiting beliefs and visualizing financial abundance, you can attract wealth into your life. With positive affirmations, you can become a magnet for money and always have enough. Be grateful for the money that comes into your life, and be good with it. With a positive mindset, you can open yourself up to opportunities to make more money. Be grateful for money. It's important to be grateful for the money that comes into your life. Showing gratitude for the money you already have will help you to attract more of it. Being grateful for money can open up new opportunities and give you a sense of satisfaction and peace of mind. When you are thankful, you are more likely to attract wealth and abundance. It's important to count your blessings, appreciate what you have, and be grateful for the money that you have. Be good with money. Being good with your money is an important part of attracting wealth. It's not just about having the right attitude towards money, but also managing it effectively. You can learn how to budget your finances, invest wisely, and make sound financial decisions. When you do this, you will naturally attract more wealth into your life. Being mindful of how you spend your money can also help you acquire more of it. Make sure that you are making conscious decisions about where your money goes and how you can use it to create more abundance for yourself. Visualize financial abundance. Visualize financial abundance and develop positive, consistent financial habits to help you reach your financial goals. Consider a budget that puts you on the right track, and be good with money. Affirmations are also a great way to attract money and abundance, so create a vision board with pictures and statements of abundance to remind yourself of your financial goals. Money visualization techniques are also helpful, so repeat positive statements about having the money you need and watch as your accounts grow. Lastly, be grateful for money and allow it to flow in from unexpected places. With these tips, you can manifest wealth and create a positive relationship with money that will help you achieve financial freedom. Stay positive and believe in yourself.